Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. In this part of tutorial, we are going to draw an L-shaped staircase, or you call it 90 degrees bend staircase. So let's get started. So I would like us to start by setting our unit, UN for unit, enter. Then let's take decimal because I would like us to use, then precision. Then I would like us to use our centimeters. And okay, so let's go straight to the rectangle. So we come here and we start up somewhere there, make a rectangle of 90. You know, the span of a step is 90 by 22. Okay, 90 centimeters by 22 centimeters. Enter. Yeah, it might seem too large, but you have to reduce. Okay, you have to reduce, you have to zoom, and let's move it somewhere here. I don't want us to be at the center. Yeah, let's move it up here. Very good. So from here I would like us to create copies. Okay, we copy, and let's move from this lower end point up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Escape. Then let's select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we'll go to rotate command. Go to the rotate command. Let's select this midpoint as our base point, then bring it this way and click. Then we'll go to rectangle. Then we click from this end and pull it up to this end to make the landing. Now let's go to change our drawing space to 3D modeling. So as we wait for it to change, let's go now to the home icon to turn to southwest isometric view. Okay, there we are. Then the height of a step, or a riser I should call it, is 16 centimeters, so, or 6 inches. So we go to press pull, and we press pull the first one at 16, enter. The second one 32, enter. So we're gonna make it at the multiple of 16. Sorry, we're gonna make it at the multiple of 16. So extrude, press pull this one, 96, enter. Then now let's rotate. Let's try to orbit. Sorry, let's orbit to see at this angle. Then let's continue to 112, 112, enter. Then continue to 128, 128, enter. We continue to 144, enter. We continue to 160, enter. We continue to 176, enter. Now let's move over to the visual style and give a shade. Let's give a shade to our stair. So this is our stair. From here I'd like us to give a union to this. Let's use the boolean command. We'll go to union, we'll click on union, then you select all of this, enter to give a union. So now it's a union. From here we'll go up to the coordinates and we drop this down and we click on face. Now we're going to draw on this face, enter. Okay, let me pull off the grip. Then we'll go to polyline, then we come to this end point, and I would like us to give a color. Okay, COL for color, enter. Let's give a green color, enter. Then now let's go to polyline, sorry for that. Then we click at this endpoint and we move it up to this endpoint. Let me zoom so that you can see, and we move it here to the inside section. Okay, then enter. Then let's go to visually and give wireframe. Let's select this line and move from this point to this point. From here we go back to wall UCS wall. Then we go to the northwest isometric view. Then let's give a shade again, shaded. Then now let's move the UCS face on this face, the UCS on this face, enter, because we have to draw on this face. Then now we go to polyline, we draw from here up to this endpoint. Escape, zoom. Let's select this line, this polyline, to move. Let's move from this endpoint, bring it down a bit, and type in 16. Okay, let's bring it down to this step, enter. Then from here we'll go back to polyline and we click at this endpoint and click at this endpoint, escape. So now let's go back to world UCS. Then we'll go back to world UCS. Then we'll go back to home. Then let's go to press pull and press pull here, pull it inwards and we click. In the same way, let's orbit. Let's orbit here. Good. And we press pull here. Let's zoom and we click. Very good. Let's now rotate to erase. Okay, we can now select this part carefully. We select very carefully, select, to delete. We go back to home. From here we're going to create the handrail of this staircase. So let's quickly go to the circle and click. Then let's come here, then snap at this midpoint and you pull it inward. You type a distance of 5, enter. Then you come down to type in a diameter of 10, enter. You're gonna have something of this nature. Then let's go to offset, then type in an offset distance of 2, enter. Then let's offset this circle inward. There we are. I like us to go to visually and put to wireframe. From here let's copy these two and move it outside. We go to press pull. The height of the handrail is 86. Press pull the smaller one and type in 86, enter. Then we press pull this base at 2, type 2, enter. Let's give it a shade. Let's go to visually and we shade. Let's select the two. Let's go to union. Let's use a boolean command, union, and we select this tool to give them a union, enter. So it's now a union. I'd like us to move this, select and move. Let's move it back to this point. We'll click there. That's good. From here let's select and copy. Let's create copies. Okay, sorry for that. Let's select only this and we'll create copies. Here you're going to see it copying at midpoint, so just click and copy at midpoint. Then you see the snap at this other midpoint. You place just like that. You come over here, midpoint, you place. Up here the same, midpoint, you place. Up here, midpoint, you place. Let's move now to the top view. Then we go to visually and go to wireframe. From here let's go to the face and let's place somewhere here, enter. Then let's select and copy. Let's copy at this intersection here. It should create. Okay, let's copy here. We'll place somewhere here. Then place. Let me zoom so that you can see well. Then we place a copy here. Then let's come to the midpoint. Let's come to this midpoint and we place a copy. We come again to this endpoint. place a copy. Let's move this one, copy. Let's click at this intersection, we'll move it up at this end, then we'll place a copy up here, copy, copy. We are done with our copies, so let's go back to home icon. So we're going to find something of this nature. Let's try and give a shade to see what we got. We shade. So that's beautiful work. But here you're going to see that some of these standing bars have dipped in to our concrete work. So what do? We select, let's select all of these ones that have projected in. We select all of them. Okay, this one has not projected in. Then let's go to move. Then let's move to a certain height. Let's give a height of 16. Okay, 16. That is the house of the riser. Enter. So from here you're gonna see that we got our members at their right positions. Okay, let's try to orbit to see what we've done. Very good. Let's bring it back to this position. Let's go back to the left view. Then here let's go to the coordinates and put on view. Then we go to polyline. Then here you're going to find it's going to intersect here. You click, you pull it, you click here. Let me zoom so that you will see well. Sorry for that. So you click here, okay, and you move it downwards. You move it right down. Then you click here. Then you move it down a bit. Then you click here. Then you move it down to vertical, and you click. Enter. Okay, let's go back to UCS wall, and then we go to the back view. We go back to polyline. Let's start from here. We click, then we move and click at this end, move it upward, we click here, vertical a bit, we click, and we click here. Enter. Now let's go back to UCS wall. Then we go to home. Very good. So you found something like this. So here let's move these two. Let's put it to parallel, please, so that you can see well. Now we're gonna move this line to its right position. Let's move from here and click here. That's good. From here we're gonna create a copy. So we select the same line and we go to copy. Let's copy from this end. Okay, let me zoom so that you can see, and we bring it to this end. Very good. We're gonna trim it, okay, if any excesses. Then now let's do same here. copy. Let's copy from this end to this end. Very good. Then now let's go to the trim command. Okay, let's try and see if we can trim. Enter. Then here we cannot trim, so I'd like us to go to, let's go under modify, and here you're going to see the break tool. So we click on break. Let's bring it here. We click here and we select polyline. Let's break it to this end. Then let's delete a small tiny line here. Then we'll go back to the break command to select the polyline here. Then we break up to this point. Then let's delete a small portion here. Erase. Then I will select these two lines and give a join. J for join. Enter. Let's also come this way. So that let's also come this way and we select these two and give a join. J for join. Enter. Then now let's put these two visually and go to wireframe. Okay, very good. Then now let's go to the circle and we click here. Let's make a circle of 7. Enter. Let's select this circle and we move and we copy. Let's create a copy over here as well. Very good. Then now, yeah, it's a very big handrail. Okay, yeah, this is a turbo. Then now let's go to the extrude command. Then we'll click on this object. Enter. So we extrude. We'll come down to command line. We'll follow path. Then let's click on this path. So you're gonna have something like this. We do same this way. We go to extrude. We select. Enter. Extrude here. Come to command line. Follow path and let's click on this path. Very good. So let's try and give it a shade to see what we got. Oh, sorry. So here we're going to have something of this nature. Okay, yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Then now let's go under modeling and click on sphere. Okay, here you see a sphere, and let's come here. We click here at the center point. Then we give a sphere here. Then now let's create copies to the sphere. Center to this other center, to this other center, and to this other center, and escape. So that is how you see our staircase with the handrail. Very beautiful. So let's turn our orbit to see. Wow, very, very amazing. That's so beautiful. Yeah, that's so beautiful, you know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Then if you have any question, you ask on the comment box below. See you.